Hello! Today we are making a creamy mushroom soup. First, we are going to clean the mushrooms. With a damp paper towel, wipe each mushroom to remove any dirt. Then, cut the bottom tips that have the most dirt. After cleaning the mushrooms, cut them into medium chunks. Now cut an onion in half, peel it, and finally chop it. Peel a potato, then cut it into medium chunks. In a large pot on medium heat, drizzle the olive oil. Add the butter and let it melt completely. Add the chopped onion, salt and pepper, and cook for a few minutes until the onion becomes translucent. Now add the mushroom pieces and cook for 5 minutes, stirring regularly with a wooden spoon. Add the potato chunks, fresh thyme, and grate a bit of nutmeg. Cover with water and cook on medium-high heat for 20 minutes until the potatoes and mushrooms become tender. Check this out! Our veggies are ready. Remove the pot from the heat, open the lid, and just smell these amazing flavors for a second. Drain the veggies from their cooking water and separate them into 2 bowls. The cooking liquid in one bowl and the veggies in another. Now add a little bit of liquid to the veggies and mix using a blender until you get a smooth texture. Keep adding liquid to the mixture while blending until you get the soup thickness of your choice. My soup is ready. Place back the soup in the pot, heat, and adjust salt and pepper to your taste. Serve immediately with some crusty bread and decorate with some sautéed mushroom slices. So earthy, so creamy, so yummy. Bon appétit!